Go. Wow, that is fast. Wow, this car's rapid. It goes, man. Wow. What's going on, guys, and welcome to another video of Hoodstick. And today is going to be a POV drive of the Seat Leon FR. Just thought we'll do the first drive of the Seat Leon, shall I say. We did have it for a while. From the previous video you've seen the car's been fixed up. Let's see what it's like to drive. Originally, before we got this car, we were on the look for an S3 8P, but the prices were just so much more. They were like ranging up to, I'd say, £6,000 to £10,000 for a mint one, and it was just too much. And then we looked at a Golf GTI because it's a similar engine. They're ranging around £3,000 to £4,000. We've already told you that we've got this car for cheap again, for just over £1,000. It's the TFSI engine, 2 litre, the DSG 2007 model, and it's running 200 brake horsepower stock. So we just wanted to see what it's like, to see if this is capable through power, through the drive, through how it performs, should I say. I have driven an Audi S3 8P, I've driven a Volkswagen Golf GTI, but this is the one that I haven't really it's an experience to see if it's as good as those. But anyway, let's just get straight to a drive. Again, I'd prefer manual, but the hype is all about DSG nowadays. So this is supposedly the lighter car than the Golf and the S3. It's the lightest out of the three. The way it looks really nice. I think it looks pretty simple, RPM, miles per hour, and paddles. Nice little motor, should I say. And one thing I'd like to say about this car, which makes it a lot better, is it's got cruise control. It's got heated seats right here. It's pretty functional car, should I say. It can be the perfect daily if you wanted a car like this. And it looks like a two-door sports car from the outside, but obviously you can open the paddle door from the back. I always thought it was a two-door car, but really it's a five-door car. I'd say it's a remarkable, alright mate, it's a remarkable a car almost drove into me. But let's just see what this car's like now. Put the foot down now. So fourth gear, I'm dropping the gears now. Second, let's go. Look at that, dude. Oh wow, this car goes, it's pretty quick. So we'll do a standstill here again. I'll put it in sports mode, just boom, so there's no lag. We'll do like a launch, so I'll hold the brakes. I've never really done one before. Gas, go. Wow, that is fast. All right, okay. This car is quick. 0 to 60 is around 6 seconds, I believe. That is pretty quick. It doesn't miss a beat, does it? Normally in manual cars, I'm like, fighting with the gearbox. But oh, look at that, sports mode. It just shifted by itself. Fourth gear. Let's see how quick it is, to be honest. So look at it. It's a lot quicker in sport mode than you change gear. Look. Fourth, third. And if I slow down, if I put foot down, watch. There's no lag. There's no lag whatsoever. The gears are a lot more faster as well. Man, this car's a weapon. Look at that, third. It's a lot more faster, man. Everyone's driving fast this weekend. What a remarkable car, shall I say. Let's get it in here. Watch out for the van. Alright, mate. I must admit, in D drive, the car has so much lag. For example, like I'm driving right now. Put foot down. 1, 2, 3, go. So it seems like there's like a 2-3 second delay, which I think everybody would arguably tell me that that's how DSGs perform. There's always a lag in D drive, but this is a lot of lag. But in sport mode, it's pretty quick. I like the car. I love it. It ticks every single box. The biggest thing that I can tell you about the Seat Leon discovered, which is like a big put off on the car, is if I just click here from this button here, you can see sorry, the right one, you can see, look at that, it says 18 miles per gallon. I know I gave it a bit, but honestly, it doesn't lie. This car loves to drink petrol. It drinks. We've had it for a while, and I'm promising you, we've had a Subaru Impreza, we've had like even the Skyline that's running high power. They average about 20, 25, 30 miles per gallon, but this, I promise you, you barely get 20 miles per gallon. You're probably just about getting 18, 17 miles per gallon. This car is terrible on petrol. I feel like doing a video just on £10, how many miles can I get with the Seat Leon? And I'm telling you, this car, you barely get 20 miles. And that's normal driving. We had this car as an ATB car traveling around the city, and it drinks driving normally. Whether it's to do with the weight of the car, I believe they weigh about 1,300 or 1,400 kilograms, but I'm not 100% sure. But it is right here. But this car drinks. And is it really worth it as a daily now? I question myself, is it really worth it a daily? Yes, it's got 5 doors. Yes, it's got heated seats. It's got cruise control, and it's quite comfortable. It's DSG. So I think if you want a car that you don't mind that it drinks and it ticks all the boxes, then go ahead. Seat Leon is a beautiful car. I'd probably choose this over the S3. Not because it's better than the car. No, S3 is a better car, of course. But for what you can get value for money, this is top dollar. Think about it. £1,300 just had a light damage. Oh, Mini Cooper. Yeah, and this car just flies. And we just need to get some nice B roads, and then we can give it then. I feel like this car can even outperform some cars, some modern cars today. Wow. This car is going. Look at that power. Look at that. There's no delay. I honestly believe like this car is the real deal. A cheap sports weekend car. This is it. Oh, look at that. Whoa. Okay, right. This car drives amazing. Wow, this car's rapid. Doesn't sound amazing in high revs, but it is pretty quick. Nice road though. It goes, man. What a fast car. This is no joke. This is, we need to take it out of sport mode. I'd give it a 7 out of 10. I'd say the 3 is because of the petrol. They did make the Cupra version of these with the S3 engine, but again, their price range just shoots up to like 6-7 grand. But I just can't justify paying that much money for a car. I can go towards the JDM car that can. Anyways, let's wrap up the video. If you have any comments or anything you'd like to say about this car, thank you very much for watching. May the Almighty bless each and every one of you, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.